The gods were facing many obstacles and needed someone to help them. Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati decided to create a remover of obstacles. That's how little Ganesha was born with an elephant head. Shiva blessed Ganesha, worship will begin with you first. All the gods were happy as prayers would now be peaceful. People also started worshipping Ganesha with clay idols and flowers. Ganesha's favorite food is modaks and steamed dumplings. Anyone who prays to Ganesha gets their obstacles removed. Thus, families began celebrating Vinayaka Chavithi every year. Vinayaka Chavithi became a festival of joy, unity, and devotion.
Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.